guys, last day with these wheels on for the year. Gonna put these bad boys on, but for now I'm gonna put back like my stocks. Shit. And I'm gonna do the work all myself. Yeah, I'm gonna fuck for it now, but like I'm gonna do all the work by myself. Alright, I got them tires right here. Brand new look for the truck because I ain't never been dropped with my stocks on. So I'm gonna miss them, but it's only for the year. Actually, like I'm pretty hyped. Let's go. Alright, I'm not sure if y'all can hear me, but I already got them laid down, and now I'm about to start the work. Look at that shit somewhere. Fuck this fucking mess. Let's go. Now I'm about to balance though. I already changed them all, so now I just gotta balance. Gotta get my cone. Let's go. Now I got these three left. When I'm done balancing, I'm gonna jack it up and start bolting on. Look at this. Looks so lifeless. Alright guys, this is the next day. The last clip y'all saw just the truck jacked up, but I forgot to record the rest. But here it is with the stocks on. Here. That one, the fucking cap fell off while I was driving. But I'm thinking about trading these because I don't know, I'm not used to it on looking on the truck. I feel like I could do better. Trade, whichever, but it's nice though. But then the other wheels, have them stored. Got them wheels right here. Fucking clean, huh? But like, compared these wheels on the truck compared to that. Like a big difference. Yeah, just for now I'm gonna rock with them. I'm gonna see if I could trade them or sell them. If not, then I'll keep them off just for the winter. But then put these on again. Yes sir. Alright, but I hope y'all like that little video. More shit coming too. Gotta wait for that. But yeah, just wait like yeah, so just wait like maybe like one more month or less, I don't know, but very soon, and I'm hella excited. I hope y'all like the video. Let me know if y'all want to see more content with the truck. Other than that, peace. Yeah, so I like the SRT10s are back on. So let me know whoever wants to buy these. Let me know. Message me for trade or for sell. Give me an offer. But yeah, I like. Let's go.